Hi everyone, in this video we'll be installing a riser on a Dynasonic pickup. We'll be cheating and not soldering to do it. Obviously first we've got to get the screws out so we can get underneath the pickup. And here is a current production Gretsch pickup riser. This is a vintage Dynasonic though, so there will be some differences. As you can see, this is not original to the guitar, it's hacked in there. I did not do that. We'll score the area with our scissors and then grab a utility razor. You wear safety glasses in case you break the tip off. Flying razor blade is no fun if it goes in your eye, or really anywhere. I'm using soft fur, so it shouldn't break the tip, but you never know. Make sure not to bend at an angle, you want to keep the blade straight. And there you go, cut it on the short side. File the burr off a little bit. This little cutout on the side is going to allow us to slip right under the pickup without taking out the pickup wire or unsoldering it. Let's give it a test fit. And nope. Quite a bit of plastic still in the way. Let's try a little wishful thinking and turn it around. All that and we're still a long ways off. This time we're going to get it for sure. eventually, and there we go. Our pickup riser is installed. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the day.